My name is Ataul Waheed. I've been in IT field for over 10 years, and with NetSoft I've been over a year and a half. I've been with Humber College for 2 years in computer programming, and I've also done computer networking there. And now as I joined NetSoft, I've gotten my certifications in Citrix, VMware, and Microsoft. I found out about NetSoft from a friend. He was doing really well in IT, and a couple of years back he was working in a similar field as me. But when I met him, he convinced me to change, and he actually invited me to join NetSoft, so I actually came in. I've taken over 10 courses at NetSoft. The quality of training is awesome over here, and the amount of hours we put in is a lot, so the training is absolutely great. NetSoft is different than other institutes. They put in a lot of work on an individual, personal level with every student, and their training is the greatest out there, and they work with you individually on per lab basis, and that's why they're the best. So far with the NetSoft, I've seen the best trainers out there, and they work with you individually as well. They want everybody to succeed within the class. So that's why not the whole class, not the certain people in class, but everybody. So that's why they work really hard with everybody and every individual. Trainings are quite intensive. Sometimes we end up spending a lot of time in here within the classes. Like we've spent up to 12 to 13 hours a day on the weekends. And also they're very comprehensive, that you learn a lot within those classes, that you work in a team. My trainers always challenge me to my full potential, as they ask questions all the time, and when they're reviewing stuff, they keep on reviewing stuff over and over, and they ask questions and they present multiple scenarios. I don't see any cons, but there are pros, which you could learn within a small period of time. You could learn a lot, and the training is awesome, the best training out there. I've seen lots of success stories at NetSoft. I've seen multiple people who are never in IT field getting really good jobs, and that's why I would recommend NetSoft to anybody. On an average, I would spend over 40 to 50 hours per week on my education. NetSoft is very supportive with the resume preparation as well as job interviews. I've done a full course on which is called Hire Me, which actually prepares you for the job interview and resume preparation. I've learned many things at NetSoft over a period of time, but there's one of the things I've learned, which is teamwork. Any environment that you go out there, you need to work in a team in order to be successful. My favorite training is SSCM, and just because it's a big management console, and it has lots, and the trainer obviously he's putting a lot of work into it. I would recommend NetSoft to anybody who would want to achieve a good career within a year or so, and anybody who's not in the IT field before, and so within a year that they could get a really good job in the IT field. The message that I have for anybody who would want to join the NetSoft, I would recommend you to do is do your best when you come here, and if you want to join, this is the best place to be for IT. And it doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is, this is the best place to be for IT.